What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna show you how to sharpen our tungstens. This video is not gonna show any project, it's more like how we do things or what we found out works best for us.
As we can clearly see, the tips of our tungstens are pretty worn out from previous projects. To get them in shape again, we only need a grinder with a sanding pad, a battery drill, and to prevent the tungsten dust from getting into our lungs, we used a 3M airflow. By the way, that noise in the background is the 3M airflow. As we can see, it's pretty fast compared to other tools or methods. And the final result is enough for the job.